Here it is, guys. There is the baby. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so much bigger than the one I have. So much bigger. Wow. Let me drop this bag for a minute. Oh, hang on. Guys, do you know what? This ring light, oh my gosh, it is so nice. Like, let me feel it inside. Come on. Yeah. And welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vera. That's voice every race accepts. And if you're new here, not yet subscribed, please feel free to hit the subscribe button right below this video. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you do not miss out when I upload any new content. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. Once again, it's always a pleasure to have you here on this channel. Thank you. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. Yes, I am going to be unboxing a newer ring light. Now, this was sent to me almost about a year ago. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. The one person that I know that's going to tell me, finally, you're unboxing it now, is Royalty Cosmos, because she knew I had this about close to almost 9 months now. Guys, I've had so much going on around me that reaction has just been the only thing that is the easiest to film and edit and record, because I can do that on the go even whilst in my car. So I do want to take this opportunity to apologize to Neewer, the company, for taking so long to do this. So I don't want you to think that I collected the product and then I just ran off with it, didn't do any reviews on it. I'm kind of getting tired of my own ring light, the one I'm using right now, because I've had it for so many years, and not because there's anything wrong with it. It's just the ring is quite small. It's smaller than what I would like it to be, because right now I'm filming with my camera, but I'm having to use my laptop as a screen monitor. I can't flip out the screen of the camera because there's not enough room in the ring to flip that out and see myself. So I'm using my laptop as a monitor at the moment, which is quite convenient actually, because I can control everything from here as well. It's not bad, it's fantastic. So without further ado, let's get right into unboxing this beautiful baby. By the way, this ring light is supposed to be touchscreen. I can connect it to my phone and control it from my phone. Isn't that amazing? Like, I can control the light levels, the temperature of the light from my phone. That is amazing. It's a touchscreen ring light. So thank you so much, Neewer, for sending this to me again. Here we go, guys. It is a massive box. This is it from Neewer. If you don't know who Neewer is a company that specializes in photography and cinematography equipments. And this is one of the amazing ring lights, one of the top range that they sent to me free of charge. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. This is just a free product that was sent to me for me to review. If you want to purchase this product, the link will be down below in the description box. Make sure you use that link so that I can get some kind of percentage off when you purchase this. So I don't get the full money, I do get some kind of percentage from the product. This is the Neewer App Control 16-inch LED ring light. Supports manual touch control with LCD screen and multi-light. Interesting. I cannot wait to open up this box. Guys, I've gone ahead and opened up the box. It is a massive box and my table is not as big as you know, there's not enough room on my table to actually display all of this. We're gonna do this one by one. And this is the first box. So much. It's so annoying when you have to keep getting up and film while you're filming to go and open up or to operate a product. So this is the stand, guys. This looks absolutely amazing. It's got your vocal points there where you would put the ring light itself. So this is the stand. I can see that it has At least it's so clean. It's got the Neewer logo right here as well. Guys, don't watch my fingernails. I'm sick and tired of painting my fingernails in this lockdown season. I'm just tired of it. So you're gonna have to manage what I have. So here it is, guys. Let me just unscrew this a little bit. Ooh, can you see? It's quite long actually. This is quite long right here. Can you see, guys? Absolutely beautiful. It looks quite sturdy as well. So I'm gonna place that back down. There's gonna be so much noise going on around me, guys, so please bear with me. Next on the box is this box right here. You can see the Neewer logo right here. Let's see what's in here. Daisy, sorry guys. Okay, so inside this box we have, this is the package content. So this is what's inside this package. It says ring light, power adapter, tripod, carrying case, woo, ball head adapter, mobile phone bracket, Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth remote, and instruction manual. So this is the instruction manual right here. You see it? There we go. That's the instruction manual, and I'm going to show you the content again so you guys can see, so the lights can pick it up. I don't know if my camera is picking that up properly. Can you see? There we go. Okay, so the instruction manual, this is what I'm going to have to go over later, and I will have to do this off camera because I don't want to take up too much time, and I don't want this video to be way longer than what it is. The application, you can use this as live streaming lighting, wedding photography, portrait photography, more lighting applications. It just looks so exciting. I'm just excited about the actual ring itself. I will show you guys what mine looks like later. So this is the guarantee or warranty. I'm going to put that back in the box. I'm going to put those back in the box. This was the Bluetooth remote control that came with it. So this is the Bluetooth remote. Yeah. The adapter. And it came with the UK pin plugs, which is the 3 pin plugs. I love that. I'll pop that right here. In that box also came the mobile phone holder, which is the pivoting one, the one that rotates. You can have it like this, or you can have it like that. This is so handy. I love this one because I can also travel with this one and screw it onto other stuff that I have, like my gimbal and also my tabletop stand that I can place my ring light on. This is the ball head adapter as well. So that's this one. Let me take it out of the bag. Everything is just labeled with newer, 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 and that is so cool. That is so, so cool. That's the ball head adapter right there, guys. Hope you could see it. My hands are dry as well. There you go. The typical ball head, you know, adapter, which is always brilliant to have. And here we go. Here's the moment of truth. Woo! Look at that, guys. Look at this. Oh, this whole screen is covered my face. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? That's a beautiful bag. It's so gorgeous. This is such a nice bag. I could travel with this. I can so travel with this. It's so, so nice. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be traveling soon, and I was wondering how am I going to film and record whilst I'm out there. But I think I need a travel ring light anyway, a small travel ring light, which I'm going to get. Here it is, guys. There is the baby. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so much bigger than the one I have. So much bigger. Wow. Let me drop this bag for a minute. Oh, hang on. Guys, do you know what? This ring light, oh my gosh, it is so nice. Like, I don't know how to explain it. There is like, hold on, before I rip it all up. So the one I have before, it's got filters, right? And the filters, you can clip them off. But this one, the halo, it looks like this is all plastic. This is all plastic around it. And you see this right here, guys? This is the touch screen. Can you see the screen? It's a digital screen. So this is where the touch screen faces, or whatever you call it. Oh, I'm so excited about it. It's so much bigger than my old one. My old one is so small. I'm so excited. Why did I take so long to unbox this? Why did I take so long? Oh my gosh, Vera, you're so slow. You're so slow, girl. This looks good, guys. Right at the back here is where you would put the power adapter, right here. This just looks really good. I can't wait to set this up. I don't think you can take the filter out on this. Or can you? Hold on, guys. Let me just see before I break the whole thing. I have not read the instructions, and I don't know if the filter can come out. But I don't think this here filter can come out. I think this filter is built in, and you should be able to change from warm light to cold light. Or cool light rather. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and compare it to my old one and see how we get along. Hey guys, so this is what the newer ring light looks like. Excuse my background. So sturdy, it's really, really nice. I love the leg. It's so strong compared to my old one. I'll show you what my old one is really stable. It looks really stable. This is where you would control it. So as you can see, that's the brightness there, and you have the option to increase that, increase it, or decrease it. Sorry, I just turned it off, or decrease it. There you go. And you can also change the temperature if you want it to Bluetooth, or if you just want it to, I haven't connected, well, it's connected at the moment. So there you go. Goes brighter and brighter all the way to 100. That's 100. This is my old one. You can see it's a lot smaller, and that's my YouTube setup right there. It's a lot smaller. The legs are a bit wobbly as well. Absolutely wobbly. So unstable. I've had it for years and years. And when you turn it on, you've got the usual old dial. That's 100. So they have roughly about the same strength, I must say. Sorry if this light is glaring in your face, but just for the purpose of the video. And again, like I said, you can take out this filter. You can take out this filter. I have an orange filter somewhere as well if you wanted to change it to a warmer color. I want to break it. So that's the old one. And you see, I'm unable to flip out my Canon M50 because there's no space to flip it out. Whereby with this one, I'll be able to flip it and see myself on the screen as well as on my laptop monitor as well. So I love my new ring light. Thank you, Neewer. I cannot wait to use it. Let me go ahead and turn this off now so that I don't blind you guys. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's the old one, new one. Newer. So guys, now that I've shown you what the ring lights look like, I'm gonna go ahead and set up the Bluetooth connection by downloading the Neewer app onto my phone and seeing if I can control that from my phone. And you can watch that right here. So guys, I've downloaded the app, and this is what it would look like. It would give you different product size available, and it will show you, you basically register your device, and this is my device right here. I don't know if you guys can see, I'll show you guys when the light comes on, so I can, you know, change the temperature, change everything from here. I'll show you guys on screen what that would look like in a minute. I can also, this is the warm light, so if I want to change the warm lights and all of that, and this is that here. I'm still going to play around with it and see how everything goes. I can have an auto setting here if I choose to set it up, and this would be my preset already if I want to use it and go ahead to record based on the condition or the environment or how bright it is around me. I'm not too sure what everything else is yet. Like I said, I need to, and this is where you turn it off, and you can just turn it off. So I'll put the screen back on now so that you guys can see what everything looks like when I play around with this and turn it on and off. So guys, for the purpose of the video, I've had to turn all the lights around me off so that I can show you what this ring light can do. My goodness, it is so exciting. This ring light is the bomb. It is the bomb. Thank you, Neewer. I love this new toy that I have. So ahead with the app right here. The app is just right here. This one here, this last one. So I'm going to turn it on now. I'm going to go into the app. Now, I'm going to use this on button to switch on the ring light. So hope you guys will be able to see the difference. We'll play around with the light now. Ah, the ring light is on. This is just the ring light on at 4,900K, and the BRR is at 49. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in auto mode now. So that's the auto mode. Can you guys see the change? Now I'm going to increase the lights. Oh, can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Oh, this is so exciting. So my umbrella lights are not on. This is just the Neewer ring light that is on right now. So this is temperature changing now. It's going to a warmer temperature now. I'm dimming it now and it's off completely. So now let's increase that and I'll put the temperature to cooler lights now so you guys can see. It's not so harsh, it's so warm. The light, it's not piercing, like it's not piercing into my eyes like my old one that I showed you guys previously. It really literally pierces into your eyes. Set into the auto mode and that's just it. And it's not bad. So when I go ahead and switch on my umbrella lights, this is the full effect of the light. Now if I change it to a warmer temperature, this is the Neewer light going down again. Can you see? That looks really good on camera actually. That doesn't look so bad. This doesn't look so bad. So I hope you guys can see the difference. Yeah, I love this. I'm in love with this. I am in love with this ring light. It's big, it's portable. It just looks so sweet. It looks so modern. Modern, that's the word, modern. I've been playing around with this. There's an auto setting, which is basically a setting that the ring light feels is decent enough. That's not too harsh, not too brass, not too dull. It's decent enough for any environment. So that it's in an auto mode now. And that is not too bad. Auto mode is not bad. I like the fact that you can control it from your phone. So if I was doing a video right now, I don't need to keep getting up to change the setting. I also get this to be able to control my camera. But though I control my camera from my laptop, which is right here. So guys, I love this. I hope you guys will go ahead and purchase this. Again, I'm going to turn it off. My umbrella lights are on and I'm going to turn on the ring light again. Can you see the difference? Off with my umbrella light on. That's the difference basically. You can add more than one equipment onto this here app. This is absolutely beautiful. If you have LED lights as well, you can add that to it. You can shop on here. You can add stuff to your basket. You can add stuff to your store and purchase, your wish list. This is just really nice. You create your own account as well. You have your own account, so you become a Neewer customer basically. It's so convenient. It's so nice. Hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing with me and this exciting moment. I'm like a kid in a candy store. Leave your comments down below in the comment section if you feel like this is something that you might want to buy for your wife, your girlfriend, your mom, your sister, your cousin, your niece who likes doing videos. Please go ahead and invest in this ring light. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm so excited about it and I cannot wait to use it. So going forward now, my videos, next time you see some other videos, maybe next week and next week, because I already have some pre-recorded videos with my old ring lights, please look out for the difference and let me know if you notice anything different. So until next time guys, stay cool, stay blessed and remain for Reddit.